Hi everyone. This is a very common introduction pattern in French. First is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. It means I call myself, I am called, or my name is. There you can say your name, je m'appelle, your name, then you can say, then je suis means I am. Then you can talk about your profession. Then comes viens de, je viens de, je viens de, I come from. Then you can use your country. Je viens de, je viens de. Next is j'habite. J'habite means I live or I reside. So j'habite à, I live in or I reside at. There you can talk about your place. It can be any state, it can be any district, or it can be any area, it can be a city, it can be a village. Okay. And the last one, je parle. Je parle means I speak. I speak any other language. Espagnol, français, allemand, like that. It means and. If you're speaking two languages, you can use that. Espagnol et allemand. If you're using three languages, there you can add espagnol, chinois et allemand. I think that's clear.